Welcome everybody to the BSPN, aka the Bullard Sports Network. I'm your anchor, Xavier Austyn, and let's get straight to the business. First, we got sports overview. Take it away, LaNorris.
All right, no problem. Bullard traveled to Madisonville yesterday for their 5th district match. They came out victorious with a 3-1 win. Kalia Andrews had 22 kills and 12 digs. Julie Guidry had 11 kills and 7 digs. Brooklyn Brandon had 7 kills and 11 digs. Aubrey Norton had 27 assists, 6 kills, 2 aces, and 8 digs. Julia Garrick had 14 assists. Shay Corsenberry had 7 digs, and Hudson Walker had 13 digs. We are now 25-10 and undefeated in district. We will host Palestine on Friday, homecoming day at 4 o'clock. The Bullard Panther football team did not have any games this past week due to it being a bye week, but the week before that, they have came out victorious with a 35-20 win against Teague and Teague. This week, they prepare for their first district game against the Rusk Eagles, which will be held at the Panther Stadium at 7:30.
Now we got locker room talk with football and volleyball.
I'm here with Coach Bradford, the head coach of the Bullard Panthers football team. Coach, how do you feel about upcoming district this week?
This week, pretty good. I think we've had 2 weeks off, or I guess a week off, and got some of our linemen back healthy, and used it as just time to work on ourselves, and I think we've done that.
All right, that's good. That's good. What is your game plan for Rusk this Friday?
Beat that tail.
That's a good plan. Micah, how do you feel about district this week?
Happy about it. I'm ready to start, and I'm pumped.
Do you think that there are going to be any challenges against Rusk this week?
I feel like we can score a lot of points on them this week.
Landis, how do you feel about district this week?
I know our offense is going to pull through. I know the coaches are going to put the right game plan in our hands. And
do you feel like we're going to have any roadblocks ahead during this game Friday?
I don't think so. I think if we put in the work this week, then it'll be smooth sailing all day.
I'm with the head coach of the Lady Panther volleyball team, Coach O'Bannon. Coach, how are you feeling so far about district?
Well, I'm feeling pretty good. We're 5-0, and so we're about to start round 2 on Friday, and we had a big win last night against Madisonville.
Thank you. Do you think there's any improvements that needs to be have to go undefeated this season?
You know, I think we're on pace to do that. I think we just need to make sure that we stay focused. This team is very united, and there's always little things to improve on, but we have nothing big. We just need to just kind of keep doing what we're doing.
Thank you. Good. Are there going to be any challenges this Friday for your competition?
I think every game's going to be a challenge. Palestine did take a set off of us the first time, so our goal is to sweep them in 3, and so, you know, I don't think it'll be too big of a challenge, but we'll hold up if we can.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm with our star middle blocker, Ava Quessenberry. So, Ava, how are you feeling about district?
Really, really good.
That's good. Do you think there needs to be any improvements to go undefeated this season?
I think we just need to keep doing what we're doing, having great energy, coming out strong, and just playing confident, playing how we know how to play.
Good. Do you think there's going to be any challenges this Friday against Palestine?
We've taken care of them before, so I think we can do it again.
I'm with our other star middle blocker, Brooklyn Brandon. So, Brooklyn, how are you feeling about district?
I'm very proud of us. We're 5-0, so it's a great start.
Do you think there's any challenges that y'all have to go undefeated, and if so, what are they?
Like Ava said, just keep playing how we know how to play. Don't get in our heads. Be confident. Lots of energy. Yep.
Okay, good. Do you think there's going to be any challenges against Palestine this Friday?
We can definitely take them in 3 this game because we went to 4. But yeah, it'll be homecoming, so we're ready to go to the game. But we're gonna get done with them fast.
I'm LaNorris Joseph with the Bullet Buzz. Xavier, back to you.
Thank y'all for watching our very first episode of the BSPN. I'm your anchor, Xavier Austyn, and we out.